The sun does not abandon New Aurora, it simply changes form. As twilight falls, the city keeps its promise, a promise of safety, warmth, and continued life, written in bioluminescence and starlight. Now watch closely as the day begins its graceful bow. The intense life-giving sun softens, melting into a symphony of deep orange and rich purple. The sky becomes a canvas painted with the final warm strokes of sunlight. This is the golden hour, the moment of transition, where the world holds its breath. Shadows stretch and lengthen, not as voids of darkness, but as gentle invitations for the city's own light to awaken. See how the pathways begin to stir? They are lined with fungal mycelium, a living network beneath our feet, which now starts to pulse with a soft, rhythmic glow. This isn't magic in the old sense. It's the magic of symbiosis, of technology and nature breathing as one. Each pulse is a heartbeat guiding you through the emerging twilight. And look at the flora around us. These are not ordinary plants. Their leaves, through careful, gentle tuning, have learned to capture the day's energy and release it as a soothing, moon-like radiance. They are our living lanterns, their glow shifting with the breeze, creating a dance of light and shadow that feels ancient and new all at once. The air grows cooler, but the light remains warm, a constant embrace. Our architecture, designed to work with nature, now reveals another layer of its beauty. Amber-toned LEDs, powered by the day's solar harvest, trace the elegant curves of our buildings. They don't flood the streets with harsh light, but rather highlight the artistry, turning structures into sculptures against the darkening sky. Every line, every arch, is a testament to sustainable design, a celebration of form that follows function, and function that respects the planet. As night deepens, the heart of our community life reveals itself. In the communal squares, you see the flicker of shared fires. These flames are not for warmth. Our homes are designed to retain the day's heat. Instead, they are for ceremony, for cooking together, for sharing stories and laughter. The scent of roasted vegetables and fresh bread fills the air, mingling with the earthy fragrance of the glowing flora. These fires are beacons of connection, drawing us together as the day's work is done. Look at the homes nestled among the green terraces. They glow from within, like scattered lanterns in a vast garden. Their light spills out from windows, promising rest and sanctuary. It's a peaceful, earned quiet that settles over New Aurora. The frantic pace of the old world is a distant memory. Here, the rhythm of life is slower, more deliberate, tuned to the cycles of the sun and the gentle pulse of the living city. This is the quiet joy of a day well spent, of a community in harmony with its environment. It's a peace that settles deep in your bones, a sense of belonging to a place that truly nurtures you. The night here is not something to be endured, but a time for restoration, for connection, and for quiet wonder. It is a gift, a moment to recharge before the sun returns to begin the cycle anew. Beneath this gentle, man-made starlight, one final view remains the original, cosmic canvas. To understand the true scale of our new beginning, we must look up, to see our small, perfect jewel in the vast, hopeful night. Thank you for walking with us through the twilight of New Aurora. If this vision inspires you, follow our journey to see what tomorrow's dawn will bring.